Hi everyone, welcome to the Droidy channel. Today's video will explain how to switch from Android to iPhone. Apple released the iPhone 17 series of smartphones in September, and I'm sure some Android users will buy the new iPhone 17. If you happen to have a new iPhone and want to switch from Android to iPhone, you might be confused. Because Android and iPhone devices use completely different operating systems, many users are unsure how to switch from Android to iPhone. Don't worry, this video will explain. This video is suitable for phones like Samsung, Huawei, Xiaomi, OnePlus, Vivo, Oppo, Sony, LG, and HTC. We hope you'll be patient and try out the tips in the video. After you try them out, you'll be able to use your new iPhone normally. Whether you're looking to upgrade your phone, change brands, or give your new iPhone to someone else, you may need the following tips. A frequently used Android phone holds a wealth of private data, often valuable, and people generally don't want to lose it even after upgrading to a new phone. Therefore, transferring data from Android to iPhone is a crucial issue. Of course, even if you haven't upgraded yet, you can still learn how to transfer data from Android to iPhone in case of an emergency. To help Android users in need, we've developed the following safe methods for migrating from Android to iPhone. To help switch from an Android device to a new iPhone, please patiently try the following tips, which we believe will help. We'll explain the steps in detail. Before you begin, ensure both your Android device and iPhone have Wi-Fi turned on and are plugged into a power source. Alternatively, connect the two devices directly using a USB-C cable for faster data transfers. If the transferred data fails to be received on the iPhone, it may be because the data is not suitable for the iPhone. Finally, if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, or leave a comment to let us know which method helped you resolve the issue. Method 1. Download the Move to iOS app on your Android device. To transfer from Android to iOS, first, you need to download the Move to iOS app on your Android phone. You'll need to open the Play Store on your Android device, search for the Move to iOS app, and then download and install it on your Android device. This is essential, so make sure it downloads and installs successfully. After downloading and installing the Move to iOS app, you can now turn on your iPhone and attempt to switch from Android to iPhone. To do this, turn on your iPhone and place it next to your Android device or connect the two devices using a USB-C cable. The iPhone will automatically begin the setup process. Follow the on-screen instructions. You'll then be taken to the Quick Start screen. Tap Setup without another device and continue following the on-screen instructions. You'll then be taken to the Transfer Your Apps and Data screen. Find and tap Transfer from Android. If the Move to iOS app hasn't been downloaded on your Android phone yet, your iPhone will prompt you to do so. A QR code will appear on the screen for you to scan and download using your Android device. Then, open the Move to iOS app and follow the on-screen instructions to agree. Then, tap Continue on your iPhone. You'll then see a 6 or 10-digit code that you need to enter on your Android device. Your iPhone will then create a temporary Wi-Fi network. When prompted on your Android screen, tap Connect and wait for the data transfer screen to appear. Once the data transfer screen appears, select everything you want to transfer on your Android device and tap Continue. Finally, patiently wait for both devices to complete the process. Only when the progress bar on both devices is complete can you proceed to set up your new iPhone. This completes the process of transferring data from Android to iPhone. Also, please note that data such as contacts, photos, music, documents, and PDFs must be transferred manually. To download apps on your new iPhone, simply go to the App Store on your iPhone. Method 2 is a manual transfer. If you prefer not to use the previous method, you can also try backing up your data to transfer everything from Android to iPhone. You can search Google for software that can safely back up your data and follow the steps. To avoid any unexpected issues, always use official backup software to ensure data security. Method 3 is to seek professional assistance. If you're unable to complete the above steps, you can take your Android and iPhone devices to an authorized Apple center and have them assist you in migrating from your old Android device to your new iPhone. Fees may apply depending on your country and region, as well as relevant policies. Finally, we hope to resolve the issue of migrating data from Android to iPhone as quickly and effectively as possible. That's all for today's video. If you found it helpful and think we did a good job, please like and share it, and let us know in the comments which method helped you resolve the issue. If you think we can improve, please share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments. Thank you. Good luck.